What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, and in today's video I'm taking a little break from the stock talk, because if you know, my channel is all about money, side hustle, investing, finance, stocks, really just into making money, having fun, entertaining, educating, and just investing for something bigger than myself. But part of that is a side hustle, and that is my DoorDash that I do here. And in this video today, I'm going to be busting my ass to see how much money I can make in literally just 1 hour of DoorDash. Hopefully the orders are popping. I can like be smart about it. If I got a lot of gap in between the orders, it's just gonna be a flop. So you guys saddle up right there next to me, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, y'all, my hair is buck wild. Look at it. Actually, don't look at it. It's kind of embarrassing, but we're gonna log in. So let's go here. I have masks in my trunk, so I will grab that later if you're wondering where my mask is. All red. Oh, all right, let's get it. All right, so it's 12:03, so we'll say 12:05. So I'm going to do this until 1:05, and hopefully I can make at least $20 or $25. That is the goal. We shall see. With the history of my DoorDash, you know, it's real hit or miss. We just gonna have to see. But in other news, you guys, I got an email today. Let me find it. Look at that. If you do 300 deliveries from August 13th to September 9th, you're gonna get $27.50. That's a good chunk of money, but I did the math, and you would have to DoorDash, for me at least, an average of what I do, 5 hours a day, 7 days a week. And with YouTube and me making 2 to 3 videos a week, plus all the editing, thumbnails, all that stuff, the filming, I just don't know if that's a possibility for me. I thought about giving it a whirl and really just like going balls out to try to get it, because that's pretty good. But 300 deliveries is a lot, especially if you're doing other things. If I had nothing else going on, for sure I'd be all over it. You guys, did you get this email? Let me know down below if you're going to attack that and try to get that $2,700 and keep me posted, because I might try, but your girl probably gonna not do it. Let's be honest. I mean, but that is really cool of DoorDash for doing that. So let me know down below if you're gonna try to get it. And we are now off to a good start here. It's been a few minutes, and I don't even have an order yet. Not even out of my freaking parking structure here at my apartment. So I don't know. This is just how DoorDash is sometimes. And it's like prime, like this is lunchtime. It's 12 o'clock. Like, come on now. All right, guys, we got an order right there. Chick-fil-A, $7.50 for 4.7 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and accept it, even though Chick-fil-A is too much. Let's get the car started. Let's get the Chick-fil-A. This guy's hair is blue and purple and pink. What the hell? You guys didn't see that, but how y'all been? I mean, what month is it? It's August. Oh my god. Like, how are we all holding up? Are you guys doing well? Like, what? Hustling and grinding too? Like, what has been going on? I was up in NorCal for a hot minute. Threw me off a little bit from my schedule. I really hate Chick-fil-A though, I gotta be honest. It's always so damn crowded. I hate it. I really complain a lot in these videos. I know that. Oh, where you going? What do you guys average an hour? And I'm sure it does depend on where you live, right? Maybe. I don't know. Does it? What? I usually average probably around 15 bucks an hour, I would say, maybe a little more. But I'm interested to know what you average down below, so let me know, because I think it's very interesting. And let me know where you're from too with the average, so to see like how different it is and whatnot, you know? Also, you guys, I have this water here, but I'm really not trying to drink none of that, because if you know, every time I start to dash, I have to go pee. And as you know, there's not a lot of open places here with Corona that I can go and empty my tank at. So I have to be real careful or I won't make it an hour. This car's on my ass. Back up! Golly, it's a beautiful day by the beach and you wanna be in a hurry. Calm the hell down. You ain't got nowhere to be. Ain't nothing open. Oh yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah, congrats. Everybody, give the video a thumbs up, because that asshole just got to the red light 1 car before me. Stupid mother trucker. You guys hear that? That's my turn signal. A lot of you don't know what that is, but I suggest you find it and figure it out. I ain't gonna say much, but I am gonna say I'm here. I'm gonna go right here because I really don't know where the heck I'm supposed. Oh, I'm about to hit a Tesla. Lord, I ain't got the insurance for that. Nope. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, I'm about to go get this Chick-fil-A. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we got the Chick-fil-A. Let me tell you something. I was running around the damn building. That's all I gotta say. Like a damn fool. That hand sanitizer smells, yo. Ugh. I went around the whole building, found the guy in the front, and then I was like, where do I pick up? Because last time there was like a tent that I had to pick it up at, and he's like, you just go inside. I'm like, oh, excuse me. So then I had to run inside, then I had to wait, and then I came out, and then I had to run around the building. It was just like, ooh. Oh my God, this is like a condo gated. Oh God. All right, well, here we go. All right, it is 12:22. Says it's gonna take me 6 minutes to get to the house, so I don't know. We're gonna cut it close for another 2 orders. I don't know. Let's hope and see. It's so weird going into restaurants and literally like stickers all over the floor. Everybody's in masks. Like nobody's in the restaurant. You have to get on the freeway for your Chick-fil-A? Uh-oh. This is Danger City here. I'm never getting out of here. Between the In-N-Out and this street. Oh, it stank. Oh, it smells. Oh man, what in God's green heavenly earth? Oh no, 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 no. Ain't no money worth having to smell this. Come on. This light needs to turn. Your girl about to pass out. Oh no, no, no. Is it you? Did you do that? Perhaps it was you. No? Nobody wants to admit that stank? All right, let me read these. Park and guest parking. There are 4 spots to the left or a curb painted green right before the exit door. Gate is at the top of the driveway where you drove in. Gate code is walk up 3 steps in front, make a left, second house to the left, H5. Lord, no. Oh, hell no, I missed the turn. We gonna do this. Sorry. That shit was struggling. Exit. What the hell? What in the hell? Oh God. This is just all bad. All bad. Am I going in? What is it? I hate this shit. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out where the hell I am because I can't find this. So I'll meet you back once I drop the food off and let you know what happened. All right, y'all, that was literally the freaking worst. Can I just show you like where, like what, like that's a gate. There's a gate over there. Like you can't even see it, but let me tell you, like, oh. All right, but I don't have any time to complain. I think I'm sweating, but I'm gonna go ahead and Panda Express, 5 miles. Let's go. Look at that. Right when I get to the car, let's go, baby. Also, I'm a little like because I had to touch a handle. I had to push some numbers on a thing. I don't know, it scared me a little bit, but I just sanitized a lot, so let's hope that works. And I might be stuck in here with the Amazon man. Let's see. What's up? There, like if you go up here, this is A. And then if you, there's like 3 little steps you go up, and if you go left, it's like H. I delivered to H.
Is the address 260?
Yes, yeah. Just helping out a fellow Amazonian. I don't actually think that's what they're called, but. All right, if I can get this, I'm at 1750. It's 1240 right now, you see that? I got 25 minutes to get this, drop it off, and then get another one. Ooh, we cranking. Mostly just because I've been getting like orders coming in. It's not always like this. This freaking Uber driver has his mask underneath his nose. What the hell does that do? Please let me know. What good is it if you wear a mask underneath your nose? Like someone has to tell me what the hell that is about. Like, are you that stupid? Yeah, I guess, yeah. Yeah, you are. Why is it when you DoorDash and stuff, like 80% of what deliveries you do are apartments or condos or confusing shit? It can't ever just be like a home on a cul-de-sac. It's always gotta be like, you know, through the gate, then you gotta go up 3 steps, then you're gonna go through a purple small ass gate, then you're gonna go to the right, you're gonna go up 16.5 steps, then you're gonna follow a ramp down the side of the grassy hill, and then you're gonna end up at my door. What the hell? Although I think it just depends where you live, because like when I was at my parents' house and I lived in like the suburb and like a gated community with only single family homes, like the whole area was majority single family homes, and that just made it so easy. But being out here in Costa Mesa where there's like a lot going on, like there's way more like apartments, condos, just like multi-unit residentials. Like it's just, I think it just depends, but like, oh, it's so frustrating. Excuse me, you're supposed to drive on the you're supposed to drive on the other side of the street. What the hell? God, like you drive. Okay. Oh, sir. God, he just took out the bush. What the fuck is is you doing? What is he doing? Okay, here's a little driver's ed for all of y'all, even though everyone who watches my videos are definitely way older than the preteen that's about to get behind the wheel of a car. But A, usually we in the United States drive on the right side of the street. B, usually when you're backing up and you hear a thud and your car jerks a little bit, you've then hit a curb, you normally stop. And C, I don't really know if there's a C right now, but I'm sure I'll find one before the day is up. But you guys, here I am, Panda Express. We're gonna slide after arrival. 3 items, egg rolls, a plate. There's no drink. I like that. I'd like when there's no drink. Here I go, here I go, here I go. You can't even tell. Look, I'm talking, you can't even tell. Ooh. All right, I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we got the goods. They're over there, you know, chilling. We about to go drop them off to my boy Alberto here. He's working at the emergency animal hospital, so shout out to him. Oh, really? Really? You don't see me? Ooh. I'm on camera, gotta chill, gotta chill. I got 15 minutes to drop this off and get another order. Come on, let's go. I got a quota to hit here, damn it. Oh, no. What is you doing? Hand it to me, text me when you're here and I'll come outside. That's really sweet of you. You have got to go back to driver's ed, honey. That's just wrong what you just did there. Why is it people in Orange County, California cannot drive a damn car? Like, please let me know. What the hell? I'm dead. Literally just got a text from the guy. He goes, hey, when you get here, can you leave it with the receptionist, please? I'm currently in surgery. What? No problem. Good luck in there. I'm gonna say that, literally. No problem. Good luck, exclamation point. I have never heard that before. Like, please leave my egg rolls with the receptionist. I am wrist deep in Susan's iguana here in the OR. Can't make that up. Literally can't. And I think I love it more because I know it's not people, you know? I mean, animals are great and all, but like it's a little less like, bleh. I like the heads up is what I'm saying. Because God knows I did not need my boy Alberto here to come running out head to toe with blood and guts, you know, looking like a looking like he just committed some crimes. I have 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. Also, in other news, you know, while I'm at the red light, y'all, if you're into hanging out with me, having fun, making money and shit like that, like investing, learning, I don't know, money and entertainment, I suppose, go ahead and smash the damn subscribe button if you are not subscribed to the channel. Join the crew, join the journey. You know, I post a minimum of 2 videos a week on this channel, so just go ahead and smash the damn button. I ain't gonna beg you or nothing like that. I can't force you, but it'd be a good time, I think. You know, we out here trying to do big things, so if you could just support it, you know, love that. And if we could all just take a moment here to just hit the damn thumbs up button for my boy Alberto here, just in the OR room, saving lives and just doing the damn thing. Maybe it'll get across Alberto. You never know, you know what I mean? So, would really appreciate that. Ooh, good song. Come on now. Ooh. If you got a friend, a shotgun seat, I'm just saying I ain't gonna win a me. Boy, I'm calling dibs on your hand, on your heart. Dip. Oh God. It's already 1:02. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Where do I park? I've never been to an animal hospital before. Jeez. What the? We're gonna. Oh, right there. Right there. Ooh, sorry, sucker. Y'all, I am going to go. Oh no! I'm gonna go deliver this to doctor and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so that was kind of sad. I don't know. That gave me some weird vibes, but it was so awkward too. Like, there's automatic doors. And I was like, do I go in? Do I not? Because it says to stay outside. So I'm like calling the number and I was like, you know what, screw this. So I just went up to the automatic door and like, it starts closing, right? Like, you wouldn't think this automatic door would like close. It starts closing. Literally, I'm standing there with the food. Like, it's like closing on my face like this. So the poor lady had to come out. She's like, what do you need? I'm like, excuse me, first of all. Second of all, I'm here for Dr. Alberto. I got his egg rolls and chow mein. They're like, oh, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Whatever. It's all good. You know what? They're stressed. I get it. But we are gonna end the dash. See what I made. All right, so I made $17.50 for about 1 hour. Not great. I mean, at my day job, I was making around 24, 25, 26 after commissions per hour. So that's not really gonna cut it. but for 1 hour of work, I mean, $17.50 really isn't that bad. You don't have to deal with people. You really don't have to do nothing except for drive around and listen to music, which is dope. I think that's pretty average, actually. Like, this is a good video because that's pretty average to what I would get in an hour. I'll probably be DoorDashing more now because of the whole stimulus and unemployment. It's dropped a little bit, so I need to make up that extra cash somewhere. If you enjoyed the video, please do smash that thumbs up button. Now for me, if you didn't already do it before, I just greatly appreciate it. And every time I see a thumbs up, I just smile. It's awesome. I can't thank you all enough. If you are not a part of the crew, hit the damn subscribe button. And you guys enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. And always remember to do what sets your hearts on fire. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.